honor, and a heartfelt welcome. With pride in our hearts and reverence in our steps, as full houses come together in perfect rhythm, they reflect harmony, balance, and the collective spirit of Bhagat Global School, where individuality blends into unity. Unity Foundation is fused to the brain of Kalpana House, symbolizing vision, creativity, and holistic sportsmanship. With holistic pride is the every heartbeat of Saxon House, reflecting determination, leadership, and commitment to excellence. Community Foundation is based on guidance of Saigon House, embodying creativity. Kamsi Bhai Vedlozi and Shri Kamsi Theraji sir. We also welcome our ex-chairman and president of 24V Mahajan Dr. Shri Naji Ika sir. We also welcome Solicitor Vimna Malshi Shama ma'am and Shri Shantilal Viramrita sir, treasurer. We welcome Shri Tilakji Bhai Surya sir, advisory member of Bhagat Global School. On 26 January 1950, India adopted its constitution and became a sovereign democratic republic. This day reminds us that freedom, sovereignty and pride. This solemn movement will be followed by the national anthem. Let us sing it with pride, reverence and unity, honoring the spirit of a great nation. Courage, white for peace, green for growth that will never cease, blue of dharma in the will that spins, a promise of justice that never tells. As the tricolor rises high against the sky, to seek permission to begin the march past, a proud display of discipline, coordination and the spirit of unity that beats in every heart of our school.
Good morning, sir. I, Jenny Anthony, head boy of Bhagat Global School, seek your permission to begin with the march past. Thank you, sir.
The March Past is more than a ceremony. It is a moving tribute to courage, teamwork, and the values that shape responsible citizens of tomorrow. As a it is now our distinct privilege and honor the Jain community. He has served as Dikshan and President of Sri Bachao Satanvasik Thakoti Jain Sangh for 19 years and Trustee for over 36 years. Along with contributions span healthcare, community infrastructure, faith and social welfare, including support to hospitals and noble initiatives like mass wedding. A former Nagar Sevak of Bachao Municipality, his lifelong service has been honored with a doctorate and the Kutch Shakti Award. An accomplished entrepreneur and spiritual seeker, Dr. Nanduji continues to inspire through leadership, learning and compassion. May I now request our chairman, Shri Amra Shivji Gadasar, to kindly felicitate Dr. Nanduji with a bouquet and memento as a token of our love and respect. Moving forward, it is our proud 1979 with a humble work. He steadily built a strong foundation in the garment business through Koshia and Image NX, and later expanded into construction alongside his son Viral. A devoted family man and a proud member of the Jain and Vagar Vishak Oswal community. He is deeply rooted in faith and values. Known for his generous heart, Sri Lakhamsi Bhai actively contributes to animal welfare, education, medical support and environmental causes. earning respect not just as a businessman, but as a compassionate social contributor. We now request our esteemed chairman sir to kindly felicitate Sri Lakhamsi Kheraji sir.
Parents and students, as we have our chief guest Lakhamshi Bhai Chheda sir, but because he is going for a very noble cause, a blood donation camp, so we want sir your speech now. Please sir. Please sir.
थैंक यू। ये वागड़ ग्लोबल स्कूल काफ़ी अच्छी तरह से मैनेज हो रहा है और समाज का एक अच्छा चीज़ है, आगे जाके आगे बहुत प्रगति करे। थैंक यू।
धन्यवाद करता हूँ। एंड ही इज़ वेरी जेंटल मैन, सोशल वर्कर and very vibrating working on the social cause. Thank you very much Lakhamsi bhai. And he is also a donor for our Navnirman Yojana, the new hostel building में ये अपने अच्छे डोनर है, जरा उनके लिए जोरदार तालियां हो जाए। हमारे दूसरे जो चीफ गेस्ट आए हुए हैं, हमारा जो आगे का प्रोग्राम है उसमें इनके भी मुंह से इनके जो 50 साल का सोशल एक्सपीरियंस है और स्कूल को और एजुकेशन और जैन रिलीजियस को लेके इनके भी हम आशीर्वचन देंगे। थैंक यू।
Members to coordinate with their beats for the march past. Discipline and dedication guide the nation towards its destiny. When hearts and efforts combine, the strength of the nation marking
Good morning, sir. I
As Helen Keller once said, alone we can do so little and together we can do so much. We now request our esteemed Principal Ma'am, Dr. Shraddha Mishra, to kindly felicitate our Honorable Chairman, Shri Amrit Shivji Kada sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. We now request all our dignitaries to kindly take their seats.
Now, in this series, I would like to request Principal Ma'am to felicitate Mr. Dev Sarkar, Administrator of Little Angel English School. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. Get ready to be mesmerized and experience the true essence of India right here on this stage. Our talented students are all set to take you on a vibrant journey through India, beginning with a spectacular welcome dance that seamlessly blends the grace of our classical heritage with the fire of patriotic spirit. Let the vibrant rhythms, colorful expression, be the heartbeat of India, take you on a journey and pride and culture. Brace yourselves because India is about to dance on this stage.
Honorable ex-chairman and President Shobhit Mahajan, Dr. Naji Keshavji Rita sir, Honorable Chairman sir, Mr. Ramro Shivji Gada sir, respected Managing Trustee, Solicitor Ms. Bimla Marji Shah ma'am, Mr. Kantilal Satra sir, Trustee, Treasurer Shri Shantilal Rita sir, Trustee Dilip Damji Shah sir, Advisory Member Shri Talakshmi Bhai Puria sir, and our special guest Dev Sarkar, Administrator of Little Angels English Medium School. All respected, all in one. First of all, Happy Republic Day to all. Dear parents, esteemed teachers, and my beloved students, a very good morning to one and all on this proud, historic, and emotionally significant occasion of Republic Day. Today is not merely a celebration of Constitution milestone. Today is reminder of who we are as an Indian. हम कहाँ थे और कहाँ आ पहुँचे हैं और हम कहाँ जाएंगे. ये सेलिब्रेशन हमें उसका एक छोटा सा उदाहरण दिखाता है. What values we stand for, what responsibility rests on our shoulders as educators, as leaders, as parents, and as future citizens of India, my students. It is a matter of immense pride and honor for Wagad Global School to welcome our distinguished chief guest, Mr. Lakhamshi Bhai Nandu sir, whose life himself are a message of service, perseverance, and social responsibility. Firstly, I humbly welcome you, sir. You are a respected social leader, philanthropist, and veteran public servant, whose contribution to society spans more than 5 decades. Sir, your leadership within the Jain community and across social institutions is a living lesson in commitment and continuity. You can do one thing in a one day, you can do one thing in a 1 month, you can do one thing in a 1 year, but you spend your 36 years, it is really a matter. And we proud of you, sir, and we are very humbled to have you here, sir. Our children will learn very much from you. Your philanthropist contribution to healthcare, animal welfare, infrastructure, and community development, from supporting hospitals and donating ambulance to building temples to uplifting families through mass wedding initiative, reflect the true spirit of Seva. And your journey from entrepreneur to social leadership crowned with a doctorate reminds us the success gains meaning only when it serves humanity. So for the humanity and for the Indian nation, we should say, proud to you, everyone who is serving for the society. Next, we have our ex-chairman Naji Rita sir. I welcome you, sir, and I also welcome and obliged and privileged to acknowledge the visionary leadership of our honorable chairman, sir, Mr. Amrit Shivji Gada sir. Your tireless motivation and unwavering belief in historical, educational guide us every single day. Our managing trustees, under your leadership, Wagad Global School is not merely an institution. It is a second home for all the children who are here, while learning happens beyond the classroom and boundaries. A heartfelt welcome to our dear parents. Your trust is our greatest strength. Education is a partnership, and your support enables us to shape not only successful students, but also good human beings. To my dedicated teachers, you are a true nation builders. Every lesson you teach, every value you model, silently strengthen the Republic of India. Dear students, in these 21 years, Wagad Global School has not just educated students, we have given society itself. Heart surgeons, engineers, chartered accountants, business leaders, IIT graduates, sportsmen, global scholars, these reflect our belief as in
India core philosophy, unity in diversity. So we diverse the different academic, sports, extracurricular and every activity. Our school proudly follow the ideas of Mahatma Gandhi. In our assemblies, we sing Jan Gan Man not as a protocol but with pride, emotions and responsibility, ready to give your best to the India's growth, culture and future. Yes, we may not be standing on the border of the nation, but within our campus, we create a healthy border boundary, protecting our students from enemies like excessive mobile phone use and negative influence of the society. Instead, we offer them a constructive and structured day, one that begins with the world-famous yoga and that with the future-ready classes. We dance not for the celebrations but to create happiness, because happy children create the happy nation and happy nations create a happy world. When a student drawing the Tiranga, it is not just an art activity. It is a reminder that Bhagavad teach devotion and courage, white teach discipline and harmony, and green teach growth and prosperity. Everything we do here is not a routine. It is a well-designed structure to shape strong individual, to shape a strong Indian individual. Some of our students will grow up bold like Jhansi Ki Rani, visionary like Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, creating robots and innovation, and some will carry forward the beauty of Indian traditions and values with pride. My dear students, let me conclude with a Republic Day message to all of us. A nation does not built by the monument. It built by the characters of its students and children. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, Vande Mataram.
Absolutely mesmerizing, the harmony, dedication and the passion in this song left us spellbound. Let's applaud our talented performers for this incredible musical tribute.
To continue the program, we now invite one of our talented students to share their thoughts with us. A confident speaker and a sincere learner, the student is known for clarity of experience and positive thinking. Please put your hands together and welcome Abhidnya Gaikwad, who will now address the gathering.
सुप्रभात आदरणीय मुख्य अतिथि सम्मान्य चेयरमैन सर, ट्रस्टी, प्रधानाचार्य महोदय, अभिभावकगण, शिक्षकगण एवं मेरे प्यारे दोस्तों, आज 26 जनवरी के अवसर पर मैं अभिनय गायकवाड़ आप सबके सामने दो शब्द कहना चाहती हूँ। क्या मैं मुजरिम कहलाऊंगा? क्या मैं मुजरिम कहलाऊंगा? क्या होगा इल्जाम? क्या मैं मुजरिम कहलाऊंगा? क्या होगा इल्जाम? अगर हरे से हिंदू लिख दूँ, भगवे से इस्लाम, या मैं कह दूँ सभी एक है, अवतार एंजल नबी एक है, शहर पहर और शाम एक है, सूरज चंदा रात एक है, पानी एक है, हवा एक है और बीमार पड़े तो दवा एक है। पर खून सभी का अलग है शायद, बूंद बूंद में फर्क है शायद। किसी का गरम, किसी का ठंडा, किसी का उम्दा, किसी का खस्ता, किसी का रेशम, किसी का सस्ता। अलग ही है तो अलग रंग दो, अलग ही है तो अलग रंग दो, ये रंग एक है ऐसे कैसे? खून बहे तो बुरी बात, खून बहे तो बुरी बात, फिर जंग नेक है ऐसे कैसे? तो मैं कह दूं कि वो है ही नहीं, तो मैं कह दूं कि वो है ही नहीं, ना था या होगा भी नहीं। तो ना ही मजहब जंगे होगी, ना उनकी वजह कोई रंगे होगी। हाँ, होगी बहस पर सिर्फ हालातों पर, सब गौर करेंगे सिर्फ बातों पर यकीनन एक उमंग होगी, हर सरहद प्यासी मर जाएगी और अपनी माए अपने बेटों के संग होगी। या होगी बर्बाद नस्ल, सब चोर खूनी लुटेरे होंगे, डर ही खत्म हो जाएगा तो सभी एक से चेहरे होंगे। ठीक है, तो मैं कह दूं कि वो है वहीं पर, ठीक वहाँ होता है जहाँ पर, जो दिखता नहीं हमें यहाँ से। बनाया जिसने